Ahoy. Now I just hiked up to Tunnel Park and back, and I'm back at the Holland Harbor Channel where I sailed in the other day. I didn't sail in, I motored in. There's just all these seagulls here. It's kind of where they've all gathered for the time being, and somebody is sailing back in. The park is still kind of open, but there's not a lot of people here. Yeah. Makes me want to go sailing today, maybe tomorrow. There's some swans, it looks like. Oh, this is that ensign that's at Eldine's. Looks like he's having trouble getting his outboard started. There we go. I talked to these guys back in the spring. Mm-hmm.